What's going on, YouTube? We might have another first. As you guys know, this is a complete Basher Queen build, top to bottom, head to toe, M2C chassis, complete Basher Queen, everything else, bulkheads, every piece on here. Well, guys, my body never fit. I ain't even tried to fit this one yet, and we might have the first one. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. I ain't seen nobody else with it yet, but here it is, the body mount kit. We're gonna slap this baby on here and see how she looks. We be back. All right, y'all, first things first. Let's cut this open, see what we got. And with all Basher Queen stuff, you get all brand new hardware, and it's packaged amazingly. There's your part number if anybody else wants one. Boom. Beautiful, as always. And I don't know if we're even able to use this, but from M2C, it's not even mounted up there yet, but we're gonna find out. So let me figure out how this goes on. Another thing, if you're looking for a good toolkit set, RC Madness on, you can look them up on you guys. I'll put a link in the description, but they got these quick connects. Harold Riviera sent this out to me, guys. These things are, I mean, the tips are like a close thing I can compare them to so far is an MIP. The tolerances are amazing, and I mean, like I said, they're nice, guys. Check them out. Put this together and save your headache. The two longer ones go on top, two shorter ones go on bottom. Two shorter ones bolt down here to the bottom of your bulkhead. You take your old screw out of your bulkhead here. Let me see if I can get down here. Take the old screw out of the bottom right here, of your shock tower, the bottom screw that goes into the bulkhead, and you run the longer screw through there into the bottom ones. And then other ones you feed through to your things, to your mounts. Right, be right back. So, idiot moment there. You want to stick this through here first, then you're going to screw these on here, okay? Like, I mean, yeah, common sense, guys. And you can screw them both right on at the same time. Look at that. Just screwing babies right on. This stuff is precise. Nice. Love it. Alright, now what I was saying. These two go down, bottom of your bulkheads. You already had to remove your screws. I had to remove my mud guards too, because I don't think they're going to work. But then you're going to take these guys, and you're probably going to Loctite these things, but you're going to come down here to the bottom of your... Oh, no, these two need a long too. Sorry, the bulkhead ones need a long too that come in the kit. Two longer ones that come in here. You're going to put these ones in the bottom. That way they clear all the way through the shock tower, and all the way through the bulkhead, and all the way out here to you. You're gonna put that baby right against there like that, and start screwing. Oh, wait. Here she comes. Sorry, my head's in the way, y'all. I gotta make sure I line that up right. I don't want to have no thread sticking out or not get it started right from the get-go. But boom, look at this, y'all. And before I go any further, I'm gonna put one screw in here just to hold this baby, and we're gonna see where this body lines up at. So front holes are already in it, and back holes, look at that, y'all. It's gonna put it right where I need them to be. Well, close anyway. Dang near right where the dimples was on the truck, a little bit further back, so I could probably shorten them back a little bit, but I don't mind them being up a little bit further, so that's probably gonna do it, y'all. Let's take there it is, y'all. That's gonna do it. And got the body. We're gonna cut some holes in there, line it up. But you see it, there's your body mount kit system. I might put some shorter posts on here, guys, just bring it back to the back, but I don't know. We will see. There it is. Another first, Black Sheep RC. Ooh, Basher Queen, everything. Everything. Elite Light Basher. Get you one. Peace out. I love y'all. If you ain't subscribed, please think about doing so. We do all kinds of shenanigans. We're getting ready to send this thing to the moon if you want to see that. So come along. Here we go. Look at that, guys. The M2C brace on the back of this thing, still intact. Didn't have to move it. It bolts right up with your M2C brace and everything. Look at this, guys. I mean, just minimal pushover like nothing. It's butter smooth. That's what I love about it. Kimberly, you keep doing what you're doing, girl. Look at these products you keep pumping out to us. Amazing. And yeah, I want to take a second too to thank each and every one of you guys, man. We're almost 800 subscribers. I'm trying to make a push. I can't do it without y'all, so